EIE Instruments Private Limited presents
Method of determination of penetration value of bitumen as per IS 1203. To examine the consistency of a sample of bitumen by determining the distance in tenths of a millimeter that a standard needle vertically penetrates in the bitumen specimen under known conditions of loading, that is 100 grams, time, that is 5 seconds, and temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius. Penetrometer. This apparatus consists of a penetration needle with plunger and weight assembly which is attached to a calibrated dial.
In standard penetrometer, on releasing the penetration needle by pressing the knob for 5 seconds, it penetrates into the bitumen specimen without appreciable friction, and it gives penetration value in units of 1/10 of a mm. In automatic penetrometer, on release through the timer for 5 seconds, the penetration needle penetrates into the bitumen specimen without appreciable friction, and it gives penetration value in units of 1/10 of a mm. Needle. It is straight, polished, cylindrical stainless steel needle of total length 50 mm and diameter 1.0 mm with a pointed end of 0.14 to 0.16 mm diameter. Container. A cylindrical container of diameter 55 mm and depth of 35 mm is used to perform the penetration test of bitumen. A container of diameter 70 mm and depth 45 mm is used for testing bitumen binders with penetration values exceeding 225. Transfer tray. A small tray which keep the bitumen container fully immersed in water at 25 degrees Celsius during the test. Thermometer. Thermometer having least count of 0.2 degrees Celsius. Procedure. The bitumen is heated to a pouring consistency about 75 to 100 degrees Celsius above the temperature at which bitumen softens. The sample material is thoroughly stirred to make it homogeneous and free from air bubbles and water. The bitumen sample is then poured into the containers of 35 mm depth. The sample containers are placed on the transfer tray and cooled in atmosphere at temperature between 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius for 60 to 90 minutes. The transfer tray with the containers is placed in the water bath maintained at 25 degrees Celsius for a period of 60 to 90 minutes. The transfer tray with the sample container and water is removed from water bath and placed under the needle of penetrometer. Also at this time, room temperature is maintained at 25 degrees Celsius. Using the adjusting screw, the needle assembly is lowered and the tip of the needle is made to just touch the top surface of the bitumen sample, and the needle assembly is clamped in this position. Also, the needle assembly can be finely adjusted by finely raising the height of the platform. The contact of the tip of the needle is checked by using the mirror. The initial reading of the penetrometer dial is either adjusted to 0 or the initial reading is taken before releasing the needle. In standard penetrometer, needle is released exactly for 5 seconds by pressing the knob, where the release time is measured by precise stopwatch. In automatic model, the needle is released exactly for a period of 5 seconds by pressing the start button. The final reading is taken on the dial by rotating the knob. The difference between final reading and initial reading is noted as penetration value in 1/10 of mm. After each test, the needle is cleaned with trichloroethylene and dried. At least 3 such measurements are made on this sample at testing distance of not less than 10 mm apart. The mean value of 3 consistent penetration measurements is reported as the penetration value. Report. The penetration value reported shall be the mean of not less than 3 determinations whose values do not differ by more than the amount as shown. Precautions. 1. The penetrometer is leveled before operating by help of spirit level. 2. If the sample contains extraneous matter, it is sieved through 300 micron. 3. To avoid overheating at the bottom of the container, use of an air oven or sand bath is recommended. 4. While the needle is penetrating into the sample, if there is any movement of the container, that determination shall be discarded. Thank you. Wishing you an accurate testing. Please visit us on www.eieinstruments.com.